The hidden survival muscle in your body missed by modern physicians that keep millions of men and women defeated by pain, frustrated with belly fat, and struggling to feel energized every day.
Hey there, Coach.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. If you are interested.
Guys, what's going on? Coach Brian Klepacka here with CriticalBench.com. I'm going to show you some hip flexor stretching to help alleviate some lower back pain if you have. So for this one, you go into a half kneel position, take one knee to the ground. Going to rock those hips forward. Now from this position, I'm going to gently twist to the leg that's in front. So my right side's in front. I'm going to take my left hand, pull my body across towards the knee that's in front. Hold this for about 20 to 30 seconds. Trying to get deeper into the stretch. Do the same thing on the other side. Guys, it's really important to maintain 90 degrees in both knees. You drive your hips forward and then you take that hand, pull your body towards the leg that's in front. You're going to feel a lot of tension being released on that lower back. Again, go to wherever you feel is comfortable. Don't overdo it. Do this a couple times each side if you really want to open up that back. Hey guys, Coach Brian Klepacka here with Critical Bench. What I'm about to show you right now is some hip mobility and flexibility exercises for all the athletes out there. We're going to start on the floor. So for here, you want to be on your back. Raise the hips up, pull that knee in. We're going to do about 3 on each side, keeping the hips up. Next one, we're going to do the similar thing, but we're going to cross the leg, raise the hips up 3 times. Trying to push this leg away from the body. Same thing on the other side. Next one, we're going to do a 45-degree angle glute bridge. Raise the hips up 3 times. Same thing on the other side. Good, we're gonna flip on over to an all fours position. We're gonna go into the bird dogs. Hands under the shoulders, knees under our hips. Gonna extend one arm out, opposite leg out, fully extend. Reach underneath the body, extend back out. Same thing on the other side. Now we're gonna go to all fours here. Hands and feet. Bring one knee to the opposite elbow, tucking it under the body. Now we're going to stay in this position, but bring one leg forward. Now we're going to drop the opposite hip down to the floor, keeping that back leg straight. All we're doing is rocking that hip down to the ground. Same thing on the other side. Good, next we'll go to a half kneel position here. Similar concept to what we just did. Now we're just going to rock forward and then rock back. Final stretch, stretch out the inner thighs here, our adductors. One leg on the floor, other leg pointed straight up. Gonna sit back, butt hits the heel. Drive forward, hips come forward in front of the body, and sit back down, all while maintaining an extended outside leg. Same thing on the other side. Toes are up, sit back on that heel, hips go forward.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. If you are interested.